Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a short comparison about Epidemic Sound and the YouTube audio library. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. So when choosing a soundtrack for your videos, Epidemic Sound and YouTube audio library right here represent two entirely different tiers of music curation and workflow efficiency. So while the YouTube audio library right here is an excellent entry-level option, Epidemic Sound is a premium professional ecosystem built for fast workflows and high predictive value. So let's go ahead and talk about music quality and variety. The music from YouTube audio library can feel heavily saturated and distinctly like stock music. While there are decent instrumental gems if you dig deep enough, okay, a large portion of the catalog consists of generic beats, synth-heavy tracks, or dated electronic tunes. Now, Epidemic Sound right here, its tracks are studio-grade and mirror mainstream commercial music. They collaborate with independent artists to create music that spans hyper-specific subgenres. Now, if you want your videos to sound professional and polished, Epidemic Sound wins by a landslide. You also got the option to download the stems. You can download full mix. You can download all, so that includes the melody, instruments, and bass and drums. But you just got and download melody alone, instruments alone, bass alone, and drums alone. So as per the search feature, okay, YouTube Audio Library's search tool right here is rudimentary. You can filter by genres. You can just click on the search box right here. Again, filter by genre, mood, artist name, duration, track title. And the Epidemic Sound right here, this is where the platform excels. It offers incredible workflow saving tools, just like the find similar feature. So let's go ahead and find a music, for example, pop music right here. You can click on one and then click on find similar. Okay. And here we have the similar audio or genre. And again, you got the stem download. And the other one, you have the assistant right here. You just go out and tell the assistant the background of your specific video. For example, I am currently on top of the mountain. Okay, wind blows in my face, birds flying. You can go out and tell the assistant right here. The assistant will find the best audio for that specific instance. Okay. Also, Epidemic Sound right here got plugins. It offers dedicated plugins for Adobe Premiere, DaVinci, also got the macOS app and Windows app if you have other editing softwares. Okay, now for the sound effects, YouTube Audio Library right here is a basic selection of sound effects such as explosions, ambient wind, footsteps, but the library is small, rigid, and many effects sounds a bit artificial or arcade-like. Epidemic Sound right here features a massive catalog of over 250,000 uniquely recorded sound effects and variation. However, Epidemic Sound is a paid subscription model, okay, ranging from a creator tier to pro or even commercial plan. Now, go ahead and grab the opportunity to use the link in the description or pinned comments so that you'll enjoy or at least try it for 30 days, okay? Now, if you happen to make a video from Epidemic Sound while your subscription is active or free trial is active, you don't have to worry about copyrights, even if you cancel, okay? Even if you cancel, all right, in the 29th or 30th day. But this one right here, YouTube Studio or YouTube Audio Library, is 100% free. The music is pre-cleared for monetization on YouTube. Again, it is strictly meant for YouTube. If you want to post your videos across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Twitch, or use it for client work, the copyright safely disappears or become muddy. And some tracks right here require some attributions, okay, copy and pasting. This one, you don't need attributions, as all you got to do is just link your YouTube account or save listed right here. All right, and that is Epidemic Sound versus YouTube Audio Library. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.